Chloe Small reporting for T-Bird News. It is Autistic Awareness Month, and we are highlighting our autistic students in their classes and around the school at Thornwood High School.
In Miss Liberia class, she teaches a lot of visual learning so the kids can understand more.
Nice work. Students with autism are visual learners, and their differences are in social skills, communication skills, and in processing language. The students are visual learners, and because they are visual learners, a teacher needs to incorporate a lot of visuals in the classroom while teaching.
Let's use our eyes and observe and look for the word Louisiana.
Miss Girls class is, volunteer, working hard, doing math, reading, and I think about Charlotte's play.
Can you read the next sentence?
Can you find Museum of 96?
And I heard a timer go off. What does that mean?
5 minutes.
Break time. Take a break. 5 minutes.
Some of the things that the autistic students like to do in the classroom that I'm working in, they love to cook with Mrs. Liberio, the teacher. They love going on trips. They love getting on the computer, and they love dancing.
Going to the zoo.
Okay, not today. Those bowls down there, the blue bowls. Would you like some ravioli?
Don't want.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes. Okay, good.
What is this?
The autistic students enjoy participating in the gym every day. As you can see their excitement as they score another goal.
Well, that's all we have for you today. I hope your awareness of autism has grown. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chloe Small.